In this video, we'll show you how to create T-branches, crossovers, and bends with mesh cable trays. Cut mesh cable trays with a bolt cutter to shorten trays or remove segments. To create a T-branch, mesh cable trays are cut, bent, and joined together with clamps. First, cut off the required segment from one edge of the mesh cable tray. Make sure to cut at the transverse wires so that no sharp wire ends are left protruding. Bend the cable tray edge outward to connect it to the other cable tray. Then cut the edge of the second mesh cable tray to match the connection. Assemble the mesh cable trays into a T-shape, then secure the connection using SP01 clamps. Then use SPN02 clamps to connect and secure the cut edges of the mesh cable trays. To create a crossover, follow the same steps as for the T-branch, then repeat them on the opposite side of the mesh cable tray. To create a 90-degree bend, cut out segments from the mesh cable tray. The number of segments depends on the width of the cable tray. Once all the required segments are cut out, bend the mesh cable tray to form a 90-degree bend. Attach SPN02 clamps between the individual segments to hold the bend securely together. To create a rising or falling bend, cut out every second segment along the edges of the mesh cable tray, depending on the required angle. Bend the mesh cable tray to the required radius.